What's up, guys? Running this Raz for the Mark Stahl custom autographed jersey. We've got 10 spots. We're going to go 3 times. Person on top after the third random is going to win the card. So I'm going to copy the list, post it over into random.org. Go back over to Hobby House. We're going to post live in the thread. And over to JPM, post live in the thread. These were posted at 2 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. There we go. Back over to random.org. We're going to go 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2. Chris is on top. Copy the first timestamp. We're going to post it in Hobby House and over in JPM. They were posted at 2:01. It is 2:01. There we go. Thanks, guys. Here we go. Third and final. Good luck to everyone. Name on top wins the stall. Ian, congrats. Copy the final timestamp. Post it into Hobby House and over into JPM. These were posted at 2:01. It is 2:01. There we go. Thanks, guys. Congrats to Ian.